Hey, what's going on, guys? I have not posted in a while. I've been busy focusing on my stores. I've been traveling, so I'm gonna get back to posting consistently. And today I'm gonna drop some fire value for you guys, something that I have recently discovered, recently implemented into my own stores, and it's really helped a lot. If anyone watching this has ran stores before, have been in the game for a little bit, you understand the cash flow issues of dropshipping and how it can get very hectic at scale, and how sometimes when your store is cranking, you don't actually see your profits until you slow down. And there's a way to combat this, and it's from a book right here called Profit First. You don't need to read this because I'm going to explain the entirety of it in this quick video. So if you guys can stick around for a couple minutes, I guarantee it will help you with your cash flow issues. And all I ask is that you please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. So let's jump right into this. So what most people do is they have one business checking account for the entire dropshipping business. Money comes in, money comes out, you get your revenue, you pay your expenses, you pay any of your invoices. All your bills are going out of the same account that money's coming in. So it's a complete mess, and you need a good accountant to even try to stay on top of this. And your money just evaporates very quickly, sometimes faster than money's coming in. So there's a super simple way to fix this, and it's the Profit First method. So what you need to do is, assuming that you already have a LLC set up in a business bank account, just walk into your bank. I use Chase, and have them open up 4 more accounts. So and in your banking, you can rename your checking account to, I don't know what you guys have it as. I usually have mine just my store name, but this is going to change. So you're going to open up 4 accounts. So you're going to have a total of 5. The one that you have now, and you're going to open up 4 more, and you're going to rename them income, profit, OPEX, operating expenses, owner's comp, and taxes. Now, what you're going to do, and I do this twice a week. I do this every single week, every Thursday. So every Thursday, I just pick Thursday. You can pick any day of the week. Usually I wait for the payouts to come in because payouts don't come in on the weekends. So every single Thursday, what I do is all my income, all my revenue goes into my income account. So we're going to use easy numbers here. So say in 1 week I get $1,000 of income from my store. My store is doing whatever, a couple $100 a day, and you have $1,000 in your income. So usually the money comes in here, and then the money just goes out to owners, to operating expenses first, and then you pay yourself a profit, or try to, but you usually can't because you need to reinvest money into the business, and it's very unorganized. So the way to do this is you want to split these up into percentages that equal 100%. So start off with literally 5% profit. You're going to want to just do 1% owner's comp and 1% taxes. Just make it super easy. So 5, 6, 7. So this leaves 93% for operating expenses, because that's where most of your money goes in most businesses, to pay your expenses, right? That's how you grow your business. So what you're going to do is just grab 5. So the very first thing you do is pay yourself profit first. That's the whole concept of the book. This checking account is not linked to any expenses. There's never money coming out of the profit account unless you're moving it away manually, right? So we're going to take 5%. So 1,000 times 0.05, $50. Wow, basic math. Okay, so on Thursday in this example, you're going to move $50 to your profit, and it's out of sight. You're never going to see it again. And then you're going to take $1,000 times 0.93. That's $930 for expenses. And then 1%, 1% from income to here, another 10, and another $10 here. And you want to do this every single week, and this will help you so much, because if you guys have been in the game for a while, you understand that when money just sits in one account, it just evaporates, it just eats up your expenses, and you never pay yourself a profit until you need to, like, go buy groceries or something, or you need to make rent or something. Then you pull it out, and then you're a mess, and you don't know where your money's going. So if you follow this, it just, first of all, it just builds discipline, and the idea here is to, every single week, month, however fast or slow you want to move, you change these percentages around. So maybe you move this to 6%, and then this goes to 92%, and then sooner or later you're operating at a 20% profit margin, and then all these numbers will change as well. I'm not gonna do that math right now because I'm dumb and don't want to do that right now. But the idea is to start off. You can even start off at 1%, right? And then just slowly build this profit account, and nothing leaves this account. So this is your profit. If you want to take this money out, take it out. It doesn't matter, because your business will be fine, because you're operating on 90, in this case, 93% of your revenue is for operating expenses, which is plenty enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. 6-minute video. I wish I did this honestly 3 years ago. It would have helped a lot. It really would have, for like just peace of mind, organization, more consistent point of profits, just everything. It just clears mental space and just clears up any headaches you have about cash flow. And dropshipping, if you guys don't know, it does get messy with cash flow. It is very stressful at times, especially when you're scaling, because you need to pay for cost of goods sold. You're paying ads, both of those, before you get paid income. So it gets very messy. So ideally, you want to get this up to a 20 to 25%. That's kind of the end goal. That's a very healthy e-commerce store, between 20 and 25% net margins if you're running paid ads. Organic, different story. But yeah, guys, that's it. All you want to do is make sure that the profit, operating expenses, owner's comp, and taxes equal 100%. Use a Google spreadsheet and do this every single. You can do it twice a month. You can do it once a month. I'm doing it once a week right now, because I find myself buying inventory once a week. So this just works perfectly for my current situation. But you can adjust this to whatever you need. But yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps, guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.